Hey guys, so above I showed you a couple of the splash pages that I made in addition to our basic ones we made last 2 weeks ago, excuse me. And I want to show you how I created this middle part here. This is a little bit of HTML, and a lot of you do not know HTML or aren't very good. You know the basics. So I'm going to show you a really cool tool to do this. I'll show you how to do this very quickly and easily. And if you haven't used HTML editors before, or if you haven't even used your email features, then you're in for a big surprise because this is going to be really easy. So what we did is went ahead and I stripped a page down to what I've already shown you. Here's the header and here's the button we used, one of the buttons we used. So now we're going to just kind of fill in the middle part here. So it's really simple. Now, like I said, you can use whatever HTML editor you like. You can use your email if you want to as well. But in this example, we're going to use Online HTML Editor. Okay. Now, when you visit this site for the second time, you're going to see a page like this, and you can use this page. It's not as user-friendly, but you definitely can use it. We're going to make it more user-friendly by changing the DE up here in the address bar to org. O-R-G. We'll hit refresh. And now you have a more user-friendly HTML editor that you can use to enhance whatever you're doing. So I'm saving time here, so I already have what I want to say in a notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all that, and we're going to paste that back in our HTML editor. There we go. And there we go. Let's go ahead and make this a little bigger. Now, once you have whatever you want to say, type out your ad, whatever, you can enhance it any way you want. You can leave it plain like this if you want to. I don't care. But we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So we're going to go ahead first is make this big. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. And now we're just going to like add some numbers here, like in what I showed you earlier. So you can do bullets here, you can do numbers, you can do nothing at all. It's your choice. I'm going to do numbers. I'm going to make sure that this is margin to the left here. So kind of click back and forth on these and make sure it's the editor kind of knows what you want to do. So now I'm just going to go ahead and customize it a little bit more and add a bold, a highlight, italic, and a color to each one. It looks like something like that right there. Pretty cool. And I'll do that with each one of these. And down the line. You can make these bigger, you can make these smaller. You can, like I said, you can do whatever you want. Just use your controls up here and have a good time. I'm just kind of highlighting each detail a little bit to kind of draw some attention to it. One at a time. Free to join. Free is always a good word. And we're making good time here, so we can do this. So I'm doing this in 5 minutes. So we have that right there going on. Now I want to go and bold this absolutely free to earn. They feel it's a very important part of the ad. So now we got that. Now the most important part of your HTML editor is you want to make sure you have something that says source or HTML in the toolbar here. This one has little what these are called, little arrows. We'll click that. But that's very important. What it's going to do, it's going to give you, you click on that, it's going to just convert everything to HTML for you. So we'll copy that, excuse me. We'll go back to our example page here. We'll go to click to edit on the page we want to use. Go to the bottom and we'll go to the column like I showed you in the last post. And this is our button right here, the code in our button. We're going to go ahead and send that down a space. We're going to add a break code. So you have to look at HTML right now, BR. Let's go up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and Control V that in there or copy it, and this is how it's going to look. We hit save, and there you go. We just made a page similar to the one we made last week. A little different. I didn't underline it, but that's okay. You know how to do that now. So there you go, guys. Very, very, very cool. And another way to enhance whatever you're doing online and make yourself stand out and hopefully make tons and tons of cash, or not. So have a good day. Got lots and lots of cool stuff coming. Make sure you subscribe to my blog, and I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. So take care.